Alright, so here's my Hurst Dual Gate Shifter I just installed in my 1970 Pontiac Firebird. This is all original here, dashboard, all original, and that's not the original stereo. But first off, shout out to SP Steve, his page. I found him about a couple of months ago, started watching, and I subscribed to his page when I saw some really neat stuff he was doing to his, I believe, 71 formula. And he put one of these Hurst Dual Gate Shifters in, and that's what gave me, actually not the idea, I was wondering if I could do something like that, but then I saw his page by chance, and he had installed one on his 71. And so, like I said again, shout out to SP Steve for basically showing that this can be done. And I ordered this kit about a month ago from the parts place, and it was about $700 for the kit, close to $700. Well worth it, I think. And like I said, just got done installing this. Works really smoothly. The engine's not in right now. She's sitting over there. And so yeah, real smooth movement. You got a little lockout here, you can switch over. Drop it down first, second, third, slap it over, drive. Yeah, so it's really smooth. That locks into place. And like I said, yeah, shout out to SP Steve. Thanks for validating the fact that this is something you can do. And I have a TH400 Hydromatic transmission, turbo transmission, with a shift kit. That was put in by my dad, which is the person that gave me this car when I turned 28 back in 1998. So like I said, I've had this car for a very long time. Drove it for a couple of years, and it's been parked since 2003. So it still has a lot of life in it. And I'm redoing everything. Suspension, pretty much everything. Here's my BMR upper and lower control arms. Got Hellwig sway bar setup. All new bushings, disc brakes. All this stuff's gonna go in here. Waiting on my Hotchkiss racing high performance shocks. Sorry, not racing. So that's basically what I'm doing. And I know the car looks like complete caca right now, but we've done everything on the inside. This is all painted. All that stuff's gonna come out. So right now the car looks like hell. Here's the sway bar. These springs from UMI. And these springs are pretty beefy. This sway bar is an 1 5/8" sway bar. These shocks, the rear springs, I believe, I'm sorry. These are UMI performance springs, 2-inch lowering springs. So, yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a nice build when I'm done with her.